Welcome, my dear friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. If you're feeling fed up with life, exhausted, lonely, depressed, anxious, concerned, scarcity, uncertainty, insecurity, self-disgust, self-hatred, shame, guilt, or perhaps you feel joyful, loving, grateful. Perhaps not. Whatsoever you feel, just reminding you that, hey, it's okay. This too shall pass. We're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can go beyond our pain into more light, into more love, into more trust in the unfolding of life. Finding a comfortable seated position where you can be upright, aware of your posture, becoming aware of how you're sat. Becoming aware of how you feel in this moment. Not judging how you feel, but just becoming aware. Letting the eyes be closed as you bring the attention in, witnessing and welcoming your thoughts, your pain, your shame, your love, and everything in between. Relaxing your belly. Relaxing the face. Dropping the shoulders away from your ears. Becoming more aware of the sound. Listening with your heart. Becoming aware of your breath. Know that you're breathing. Know that you're alive. You've lived to see another day. And it won't always be that way. Remembering that everything is temporary. Becoming aware of where in the body is your breath. In the chest, in the belly. See if you can locate the breath. And with your awareness, Taking a deep inhale, and then consciously exhaling, letting go. Aware of your posture. Taking a deep breath in. And then deep breath out. Inhaling new life, new energy. And exhaling old life, old energy, letting go. Breathing in slower and softer. And exhale. Letting the eyes be closed as you look inwards. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Breathing in love and light. Exhaling fear and darkness. Breathing in trust. Exhaling insecurities. Breathing in abundance. Exhaling scarcity. Letting go of self-imposed limitations, self-limiting beliefs, going back into an expansion of awareness, of love, of trust, feeling your heart opening your heart to this moment, saying yes to whatsoever is going on inside and without. And if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Remembering to breathe, being aware of your inhale and exhale, being with the breath very lovingly, witnessing any anger inside, any frustrations inside, and welcoming all of it. letting go of thoughts, coming back into your body, taking a deep breath in. Hold. And very slowly, very under control, exhale, let go. Back into your posture, aware of how you're sat. Opening to this moment, saying yes to this moment, unlike any other moment thus far, for good or for bad, for pain or for pleasure, for joy or sadness, anger or compassion, whatsoever here, what combination of emotions and thoughts and sensations is going on. Being able to welcome it, to trust it, to have faith in the process of life. Some days it's just not going to be our day. Some days it's going to be like we just can't fail. Other days like we just can't succeed at anything. Not stressing about it, just enjoying the ride for what it's worth. Even the difficult days have their own beauty, their own teachings, their own blessings. Taking a deep breath in. Breath out. Breathing in new life, new energy. Exhale, releasing negativity, feeling negativity leave the mind, leave the body. Breathing in trust. Exhale, letting go of control. Breathing in. And breathing out. Inhaling 3 times. Exhale 3 times. Breathing in. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in slower. Exhale. Letting go of anger. Coming back into compassion for the suffering of yourself, for the suffering of so many people around the world. Coming back into patience for the pain that we go through. Coming back into understanding for the immense pain that is the human experience. Trusting this pain is part of the journey to more love, to more consciousness. Becoming aware of your body, becoming aware of this present moment, feeling rooted in here and now. color for today is black. The number is 99. And the animal is a saber-toothed tiger. Taking a deep breath in, a deep breath out. Becoming aware of your posture, aware of your space, aware of any smells, sensation of touch, sound. Becoming aware of your heart. Remember to drop down from the head into the heart today, which has much more courage than the mind, which has much more intuition than the mind. Feeling through the heart into your life, into your obstacles, following the guidance of your heart and not just the mind, which is oftentimes always looking for threats. Letting go of these threats and coming into trust, faith in the unfolding of life. You're safe, even if there actually is threats. In fact, there's always threats in life. And at the same time, we can go beyond the fear of these threats and see them as support on our path. Remembering that love can overcome all fear. Remember to love yourself today, to love the anxiety, to have love for the fear, for they bring its own teachings. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.